Hey everybody, Dr. Krystal here. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I know it feels kind of like a Friday every day some of these days, but I just wanted to check in, see how everybody's doing. We missed having everybody in the office every day, but I just wanted to go over a couple of things about things that I've learned about the flu virus and the corona that are a little different than what I thought originally. Symptoms are very similar at the beginning, but the one big thing with the coronavirus, the COVID-19, that does vary is they're finding in autopsy reports that it actually causes a thick mucus to obstruct the airways, and that solidifies in the body, causing a very big issue being able to breathe, and has been causing a much higher mortality rate than a regular flu does. But we want to show you as many tips as we can that helps keep you healthy on a regular basis, whether you're dealing with the common cold or a regular flu, or even if you have been tested positive for corona. So some of the big ones is drinking hot liquids. That's always a huge one. You know, your mom always taught you to have some chicken noodle soup when you didn't feel good. There's rhyme and reason to that. Drinking hot liquids like coffee, soups, teas, it really helps flush the system, and also keeps your mouth moist too. So the idea is that any bacteria or virus that is in your mouth or throat gets kind of pushed down into the stomach, where the acids in your stomach can neutralize those bacterial and virus bugs that can be in there. So that helps keep everything at bay, keeps it out of your airways, and gets it down into your stomach where it can be killed immediately. So that's a big one. Also, if you do currently have any kind of symptoms, drinking a warm water or warm liquid about every 20 minutes to help really keep everything flushed down has been recommended. Another big one is gargling. Gargling with some type of natural antiseptic with warm water mixed with either salt, vinegar, or lemon. Gargle out that mouth, spit it out. That can be done up to every 20 minutes if you're currently having symptoms too, but otherwise that's just kind of a daily thing that you can do to keep safe. We already know about washing hands. It has to be, you know, good washing with a soap that foams up for at least 20 seconds. The other thing with this particular virus too, it does attach to your hair and clothing easily, supposedly. So when you're coming home from being out and about at all, it's recommended that you immediately take a shower to get any kind of germs off of your body, and to wash your clothes immediately as well. So put them in the wash right away. The other thing that they're finding with this coronavirus too is that it has an ability to live on metallic surfaces for up to 9 days. So really being diligent about regularly cleaning down things like door handles or just railings, things like that, things that you touch all of the time that you don't necessarily think to wipe off all of the time. So that's a huge one. Do not smoke. That's a given at any point in time with being, you know, on a healthy regimen. But if you are a smoker, now's the time to try to quit. Smoking is terrible all of the time anyways, but even more so now with a immune system that needs to be supported. So the other big one too is just your lifestyle things. Eating regular, healthy, fresh foods, fruits and vegetables. You know, food is medicine, so keep yourself healthy with a healthy diet, your normal routine. Now that many people are off work these days, getting the time in to be able to work out a little more or sleep in a little later, you know, catch up on that sleep, get some movement in your system, keeping a normal, healthy lifestyle are things that just keep your immune system strong anyway, as well as our point of view, of course, too, is remembering your spinal chiropractic adjustments do help boost that immune system and keep your body working properly and help keeping that nervous system as strong as it can as well. So you are able to fight anything that's thrown at your body. So just a reminder for this week coming, we are going to keep our temporary hours that have been dialed back a little bit. It's going to be Tuesdays from 3 to 5 p.m. and Fridays from 11 to 1 again. So use your Sched app, get on the schedule if you haven't gotten an adjustment. It's key to keep that body strong. We miss you guys and hope you're staying safe and healthy at home, and we will hopefully get to see you real soon. Have a great day.